Hello, my loves. Today we're going to get into valuing people. We need to have value for people. We need to listen to their needs and meet their needs when we can. It's so sad to see people using each other. Remember, the law of attraction says that we will reap what we sow, basically. What you and I do to other people, the way we treat them, the way we view them and think about them, is what will repeat in our lives. And a lot of us don't want that. So this new coming year, I suggest to you to make it a point and make it a goal to value people. Money is used to bless people, to do good in the world. The energy of money, the energy of abundance. We get into trouble when we use things wrong or use people to get things we want. We don't want to do that. We want to value people and make them a priority. Keep our eyes and ears open and hear what they need. If we are able to get in a position where we can bless them and ease some of their pain, let's do it. Let's make it a goal this year. Let's make it one of our mantras that I help millions of people. I am a generous person. I am abundant in all areas, and I willingly share my abundance. We can make our portion of the world a little bit better. We can at least make the world of someone else around us better. There's so much good we can do in the world, and you could stop one suicide by being nice to somebody that is at the end of their rope. You give them hope when you add a smile to them, give them a friendly hug, say something kind to them, notice their hair, notice their new shoes, or notice something about them on purpose. Do this. Value people. People need to be valued, not their things, we want to treat people like we want to be treated. We don't want people to just see what we have. We want them to value us as a person. In order to do that, the law of attraction says like attracts like. We must be valuing other people on purpose. Let's make this a year that we look every day for someone we can say something kind to, do something kind for, give a cup of coffee to, just anything. Make it your accomplishments, make it one of your goals this year to put a smile on someone's face. You never know what kind of life they live behind closed doors. You never know. You might be making a huge difference that you will never know this side of heaven. Again, I leave you with that. God bless you guys. All my lovelies out there, please like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. God bless you all. Love and light to you all. And may you have a tremendously blessed day. Bye for now.